Hello, it's Friday Sows. It's Friday Sows. What you gonna make? If you want to see what I've been working on this week, please stay tuned. Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope that you have been having a fantastic week. I am so glad to see you. I am outside because you know that I like for you guys to be able to see. It is just so much beautiful light out here, as well as our temperatures this week have been so nice. I decided to film outside. So I'm going to start off with, we're going to do two videos in one. As you know, at the beginning of the year, I started a series called The First Lady in Fashion. And then with me, having things going on with life, I, have missed a few episodes. So we're going to incorporate August's First Lady in Fashion as well as a pattern haul. So if this is something you're interested in, please stick around. So during the Simplicity sale, I picked up a few patterns that I had been eyeing. There's still some more that I have not found. But that's okay. When I get a chance to go to Joann's, I'll see what they have the next time. But one of the ones that I picked up was Simplicity 9925. I'll put the picture up here. This is a one shoulder top, as well as it looks like to be a cardigan and a pair of slacks. Very cute pattern. I love the lines on the pants. It says that you can use stretch knits for the top and the cardigan. And it is suggesting wovens for the pants. These are very, very cute. I'm going to try to show you the line drawings. I just love the lines on here. They are so nice on the pair of pants. I'm really looking forward to, I would love to make the entire set. I think it would be gorgeous, especially for the fall months. But I especially am looking forward to making the pants on these. I also picked up a couple of Mimi G patterns that I was able to find. One is 9945. This is really cute. It is a dress and a romper. It has the sides cut out. I thought this was really, really cute. I would especially love to make the romper. I also picked up Simplicity 9946. With 9946, it has the back, and I'll try to show you the back. You can do it two different ways, and they have two different lengths. Really cute. Let me show you the line drawings. I also picked up 9956. This is an easy to sew pattern. It is a pair of pants and a pair of shorts. I just love the overall style of this, and it seems to be like an easy wear because it is elastic in the waist. And I was actually looking for elastic in the waist pants, and I'm sure I have it, but where in my stash I have it, I have no idea. So I picked this up because it was an easy to sew, as well as I love this this simplicity pattern that is also an easy to sew. Let me get I picked up the display. So the number is 9928. You can see that it has several pieces. This is a cute, adorable loungewear set. And I thought that this would just be really cute. I felt like it'd be cute as a loungewear set. I feel like it'd be cute to wear out. And it says that it is easy to sew as well. So those are all of the patterns that I picked up. So now we're going to talk about this month's First Lady in Fashion. This month's First Lady in Fashion is Rosalyn Carter. Rosalyn Carter was our 39th president's wife. She did, however, pass away last year at the age of 96. Now, her fashion to me, it was nice, it was simple, and it was elegant. So I found, I'm gonna put up pictures of her that inspired my look today. And I found this vintage pattern in my stash, and I felt like it resembled something that she would wear so much. So the vintage pattern is a vintage McCalls pattern. It came out in 1976. I was one. And it is a vintage McCall 6245. It is for a blouse and a top, and I will put a picture up here. And I felt like this pattern was a really nice rendition of her style. The dress is what I made, and I had to do a few things to it because of some of my own action that got in the way. And that action was I was kind of traveling while I was making this dress. And because I was traveling, I misplaced the pattern. So all I could find were the pieces cut out attached to the pattern pieces that I had. So I put it together the best I could by looking at the picture. So this dress is not exactly like the picture, but I feel like it still is a rendition of her style. So I did mine in Ankara. This Ankara fabric I got from a local shop in Richmond, where it's a local African shop, and they sell Ankara fabric. It has like little I guess there's a little dragons on there, but I love pink, and pink is one of the reasons that I purchased the fabric. Now for this pattern, because I did not have the instructions with me and I was doing it the best that I could, I felt like you can see in the picture where her collar is up. I feel like the collar up gives it a different look. And I feel like I could wear it with the collar up if I had my hair down and my hair done. I like it with the collar up. It's not a bad look. I did also use a zipper, secret of mine. And don't tell anybody else. I have never done a button down anything. So that is a goal of mine. But because of that, and because, I had the thing where I want my clothes to be easy to put on. There's one reason that I sew. I put a zipper in, and the zipper goes from about here all the way to my waist. So it is a pullover dress. The dress, it should have elastic on the cuff, but I could not find my elastic. I was having a time with this dress. So I just created a cuff. I created a cuff on both sides. Let me see if I can pull you down a little bit so you can see. I created a casing back here. I do know that it had, I believe, a casing on it. I'm not sure, but I just did the casing from the center seam. It's just on the back, and it has and I created a belt to give it the blousing effect. You can see that right here. So I will show you my dress. And I'll also put pictures of me wearing it. So I hope that you enjoyed this make. I am enjoying the series now that I'm getting back into it. Not sure who's going to be for next month, but Rosalyn Carter was for my August. I do have to put in, I think June. I think I missed May, June, and July. I will sprinkle them in somewhere. So with that being said, I hope that you guys are having a great week, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.